Guys, it's DK again. Well, of course, you know it's me. Yeah, a little heads up. You know how I said that I was on my way home from Chicago and shit? Well, yeah, I ended up going home. Well, 2 days ago, while I was still in Chicago, my stepbrother wanted to know if I wanted to go floating, which floating means get in a canoe, kayak, or a raft and floating down a river. So we're camping. That's a tent I'm staying in. But and then there's a creek that we're right next to. So yeah, stay tuned for some videos from the trip.
Yo, we eat minnow soup.
We're eating minnow soup.
Sediment and shit.
That's not too. That's. So yeah, we came across this pedestal. So people have been putting. Woo!
Bet.
Yeah, we did it.
Hey, guess what?
Woo! Hey, we should make a sign. If we got the right materials, please put rock. One let up, never mind.
No, it actually came up. I'm pretty sure it did, and if it didn't, look.
What, we're supposed to be taking pictures with our phones?
Oh shit.
Hey, now. Now we're going. Look at us.
Well, we also.
Next thing you know, you're gonna be on the dance floor.
Baby, spray me with your
gyrating.
gun.
Baby, grab that. I hear a bunch of people coming out anyway. I need the life jacket.
Okay, so we're totally. Oh, hi. Yeah, no, we're totally gonna go and play limbo with this tree in the raft. So, yeah.
4K resolution.
This is gonna be real fun. Oh, 4K? Hell yeah. That means they can see my sexy stuff real good. But yeah, there's Spencer, Tara, Damon, who's trying to get us over to said limbo stick, and then Shelby. So yeah, this is gonna be fun. That's my boo tank, that's why I say it. The ball
Okay, let's play limbo, guys.
We gotta get towards the center.
Go down.
We got a paddle. Yo, we got a paddle there.
Okay, no.
You have to, girl, or else we're gonna look.
I don't have a paddle, yo.
It's kind of hard for me.
Oh, snap.
Oh yeah, baby,
Baby.
hold the camera.
Don't
Oh,
drop
oh,
it.
yeah, okay, I can do
Please
that.
don't drop it.
Alright.
He said, please don't drop it.
Not waterproof.
Oh, it's waterproof. I just don't want to have a search party.
It's like, nah, we
Oh,
ain't
God.
playing
That
that game.
thing's like almost.
That's a
6
lot
inches.
lower than I expected.
Whoa.
Let's go.
The GoPro's like 600.
Mistakes were made.
Mistakes were made.
You guys going first?
Here's what I'm doing.
Oh God.
Oh, God.
Oh God, what are we doing?
Resume positions. Limbo. How low can you go? How low can you go? How low can we
It don't matter
go?
how low we're gonna go, cause we about to hit this damn tree over here. I can't.
How low can you go? Bum,
Okay.
bum.
Done.
I need.
Holy shit!
No! Oh fuck!
Oh my god!
Oh!
Hello, can you go?
Hello, can you go? Hello, can you go?
Look at this shit! That is fucking crazy! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! There's creatures of the night on there! Holy shit! That's a huge web! Oh god! I don't want to see the spider that made it.
It's right there.
You a lie? I would have slapped the shit out of you and it with this oar. Ooh, this motherfucker touched my ankle and I'm about to freak the fuck out.
That was fun.
Fly orgy. That's it's gonna be our tattoo.
No.
No.
Especially when I come during the week, I'm all by myself.
The issue I've had with people in canoes is they flip very easily.
We would all have kayaks. Everyone would be on their own.